I think the only plant that was here, the trees. The trees were here. That was one of the things that we did have him plant. And then I planted this little lime, hydrangea.
Yeah.
Outside of that, I think everything else sort of was added and changed many times. Many times.
That's the fun part
That
of gardening.
That is the fun part.
Yeah.
It is. It's the journey.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly.
Definitely.
And this seems like a lot more shade than up front.
Yes. Yes. So these chairs right here, those are my chairs. And I love it when anybody in my family comes down and joins me, right? But this is peaceful, calm. I love it. I've slowly changed a lot of this because the trees got larger and it had more shade. And I'm one of the people that I want more shade.
Yeah.
People want more sun that have too much shade. But I really have gotten an appreciation for the shade plants and the foliage and just what you can do without flowers. It's a lot. And I didn't want to be back here watering all the time. I want it. So there's definitely more shrubs, perennials. You'll see, begonias stuck in here and there, but that's because a begonia can live through anything.
Oh my gosh, yeah. I know.
So
they are very tough.
Yeah, you don't really have to go out and water them and stuff like that.
Great.
Yeah.
And you've got some hydrangea microphyllus, I noticed, which those are kind of tough here in the Midwest.
They are tough. So I actually had that all back here. These are Bobo hydrangeas, but I had the good old endless summer.
Oh yeah.
They're beautiful, beautiful blue.
Yeah.
About every 3 years. And almost will make you cry when they just wouldn't come. Like, and so to be honest, during the pandemic, I babied those things. I covered them. I thought if there's ever a time I'm going to get these beautiful blooms out of endless summer, it's going to be now. I didn't get the blooms. And so I fired them. I'm like, you're out of here. Dug them up. So these are really only like 3 years old.
Oh, that's impressive.
Yeah.
They look great.
And notice again, they have a looser habit.
Yeah.
And even the one on the end, because of the tree, doesn't get quite as much sun. So I need to get, I tried to trim it myself, but I need a handier person to open it up just a little bit more so that gets some more sun.
Yeah.
But
never
look back once I added the Bobos. Never look back.